Well, I guess I could show you this part here. I'm just gonna set that right like that. See, now I can take this and let's see if it'll push up through that hole. See, it's not really designed to go up there, but it went. Okay, now I can fish it up in there where it's supposed to go. Okay, and I just want to start it and then pull that off. I don't want to get it too far because then it's going to stick up in that nib, and that's what holds this shower handle on. If I put it up too far, it's not going to slip back on, is it? Okay, so now I can kind of look at this, and I'm going to have to put this back on. And these sometimes these fit on kind of tight, and there's a little ring around there that sometimes has to fit on there properly. And I'm looking at this. It's a good thing I did look at it. It says American Standard right there. And see, this is H and C. So when I put this on here, hot goes on the left, C goes on the right. That doesn't really matter. This thing spins anyways. See, it's kind of old, but it fits on there like that. I'm gonna get you back here, because see, now I have to turn the water on. Well, maybe I can put this on here. Okay, I have that on. It slid on, but now I have to pull it back out because I can't get the Allen wrench in there. And you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull this off, and I'm gonna fish this in here, get my Allen wrench set up in there, because sometimes it's hard to do that. Okay. Now I have it on there. See, there's no way I can tighten up this Allen wrench, so I have to lift this out a little bit to get it out far enough, without hitting my camera. It's getting my tripod wet, but hey. Now I can tighten it up. Okay. Get it tight. Hold your mouth just right, and give it a last little bit of turn until it almost digs into your thumb. Pull that out. Okay. See, it's still dripping. I didn't do anything to it, and that's just how it's going to have to live until I can check it out a little bit further. I'll go to the store. I might even find out, I could call it the plumbing service tech person, maybe get some information that way, or go to the store, talk to them about it, or more than likely I have to go to a plumbing wholesale house, talk to them, and all that, okay? In fact, I probably should have taken that out and taken a picture of it, but we'll do that another